like when you do it, you go full. What about elevator?
I'm more nervous than you.
Just toss it up into the air.
All right, so I'm gonna put the engine first.
Yeah, and give it a little bit of elevator, yeah.
Full throttle, and then he's gonna throw it, right?
Yeah, and a little bit of elevator. Yeah, wait till full throttle before you throw it.
Make sure you got a grasp on it. Ready?
Hold on.
And not too much elevator, just a little bit. Oh, did you check CG, bro?
No.
All right, that you should have definitely have done that.
You doing that? Or?
No, listen. This is just, I'm on full throttle, Carlos. You gotta understand that. I'm going full jet mode right now, and I don't.
Ah, you should have checked CG, bro. This is.
No, my CG's good.
Are you looping on purpose?